Previously, we have been talking about the lexis of our Python language, the words or the dictionary that can be used within the language, but it doesn't stop there. We also have a set of rules on how the language should be used and how those words should be put together, and that's called the syntax. This is going to include the order of the words that we use within our sentences, as well as the punctuation that we use. For example, when comparing with a spoken language, the noun may be followed by the adjective, or we might have the adjective followed by the noun. But of course, we're talking about the Python language here, and we can see that the syntax means that we have our if statement starting our line of code. Then we have the condition to be evaluated, followed by a colon, starting a block of code. For each line of code that should be executed if the evaluation is true, we indent to the same level, so we know that it's the same part of code as the evaluation. This replaces our previous languages that may well have used extra syntax elements such as brace brackets to define code blocks. So although the syntax of Python might at first look a little bit awkward and take a little bit of time to get used to, think of this as with any language, it's just a matter of learning. But the simplicity of Python is going to win you over, I can assure you.